Somewhere in a plant collector's kitchen right now, a single leaf cutting sitting in a jar of water is worth more than most people's entire houseplant collection combined. Not because of anything mystical about it, just because of a tiny streak of white or pink running through its leaves, and a community of collectors across the United States and Japan who are willing to pay real money for it. Today, we are stepping into a different part of the plant world. Not weeds from your yard, not grocery store greens. These are 10 plants that regularly sell for anywhere from $30 to several $100s per cutting. And every single one of them can be started from a simple node cutting rooted in nothing but a glass of water. No greenhouse, no expensive equipment, just patience, the right conditions, and knowing exactly what you are looking at. This hobby has exploded over the last several years, driven heavily by collectors in the United States and an equally passionate, arguably even more dedicated community in Japan, where rare variegated plants are treated almost like fine art. Auction listings for a single healthy cutting with strong variegation regularly close in the hundreds of dollars. Some rare specimens have sold for well over $1,000. And the plants driving most of that market are exactly the kind that root beautifully in water. By the end of this video, you will know exactly which 10 plants to look for, how to tell a genuinely valuable cutting from an ordinary one, and how to root each of them successfully in water so you can start building value from a single small investment. Let us get into it. Number 1. Philodendron Pink Princess. Few plants have captured collector attention quite like this one. Philodendron Pink Princess produces dark, almost black green leaves streaked with vivid patches of bright pink variegation. A well-variegated cutting with visible pink coloring and at least one healthy node commonly sells for $40 to over $100, and stable, heavily variegated specimens have sold for considerably more at auction. The key to propagating this plant successfully in water is choosing a cutting that includes a node, the small bump on the stem where roots and new leaves emerge, along with at least one healthy leaf. Place the cutting in a clear jar so you can monitor root development, keep it in bright indirect light, and change the water every 5 to 7 days. Roots typically begin appearing within 2 to 3 weeks. One important thing collectors watch closely is variegation stability. Pink Princess can occasionally revert to solid green if it does not receive enough light, so once rooted, give it a bright spot to help maintain that valuable pink coloring. Number 2. Monstera Albo, the variegated Monstera deliciosa. This is arguably the single most recognized status plant in the entire collector world, instantly identifiable by its large, dramatically split leaves, marbled with bold white variegation. A single node cutting with even a small leaf can sell for well over $100. And larger, well-rooted plants with strong variegation have sold for several hundred to over $1,000, depending on leaf size and pattern quality. Rooting Monstera Albo in water follows the same basic principle as its common green cousin, but patience matters more here. Select a cutting with a visible node and aerial root if possible, since Monstera naturally produces these small root-like growths along its stem that help anchor rooting success. Place the cutting in water with the node submerged, keep it warm and in bright indirect light, and expect roots to take anywhere from 3 to 6 weeks depending on the cutting. Because demand for this plant remains extremely high in both the United States and Japan, even a modestly variegated Well-rooted cutting holds strong resale value. Number 3. Philodendron White Princess. Often compared to Pink Princess but with crisp white variegation instead of pink, White Princess commands similarly strong prices, typically $40 to over $100 for a rooted cutting with good variegation. What makes this plant particularly appealing to collectors is the sharp, almost painted-looking contrast between the deep green and pure white sections of each leaf. Propagation follows the same reliable node and water method. Take a cutting with at least one node and one leaf. Place it in a jar with the node below the water line and position it somewhere with bright, filtered light. Roots generally appear within 2 to 4 weeks. As with Pink Princess, adequate light after rooting is essential for keeping that white variegation vivid rather than fading back toward solid green over time. Number 4. Syngonium Pink Splash. Not every valuable plant needs to be difficult to grow, and Syngonium Pink Splash is proof of that. This trailing arrowhead-shaped plant features soft pink and cream-speckled variegation scattered across each leaf, and healthy cuttings typically sell for $20 to $50, making it one of the more accessible entry points into rare plant collecting. That is also one of the fastest and most beginner-friendly plants on this entire list to root in water. A simple stem cutting with a node will often show visible roots within just 7 to 14 days. Place it in a bright spot away from direct, harsh sun, refresh the water weekly, and within a month you will typically have a fully rooted plant ready to either sell as a cutting itself or grow on to increase its value further. Now, before we continue with the next 6 plants, if you are new to this channel and this whole idea of rare plants having real resale value is new to you, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. We cover practical plant content like this every single week, videos that can genuinely put a little extra money in your pocket from something as simple as a windowsill. And if you already own one of the plants we have covered so far, drop a comment below and tell me. I want to know how many of you are already sitting on more value than you realized. Let us keep going. Number 5. Scindapsus Exotica, also called Silver Splash Pothos. This close relative of the common pothos looks similar at first glance, but carries a much higher price tag due to its heavier, more dramatic silver splash pattern across thick, almost leathery leaves. Rooted cuttings typically sell in the range of $25 to $60, with larger specimens showing exceptional silver coverage commanding more. Like most pothos relatives, Scindapsus Exotica is remarkably forgiving to propagate. Take a cutting with a node and at least one leaf, submerge the node in water, and place the jar in bright, indirect light. Roots usually appear within 10 to 14 days. This plant tolerates a wider range of light conditions than many other entries on this list, which makes it a smart choice for beginners wanting to enter rare plant collecting without the steeper learning curve some other species demand. Number 6. String of Hearts, Variegated form. Also known botanically as Ceropigia woodi, the standard green form of this trailing succulent vine is common and inexpensive. The variegated form, however, with its pink and cream marbled heart-shaped leaves, is a completely different story, often selling for $30 to $70 for a modest rooted cutting due to how slowly it grows compared to its plain green relative. Propagating string of hearts in water requires a slightly different approach than the broad-leafed plants we have covered so far. Take a cutting several inches long, containing a few of the small tuber-like nodes along the vine, and rest the cutting so those nodes sit just at or slightly below the waterline rather than fully submerged, since this succulent vine is more prone to rot if kept constantly wet. Roots typically develop within 2 to 3 weeks in bright light. Once established, this plant can either remain in water long-term or be transitioned to a well-draining container later. Number 7. Philodendron Florida Ghost. This plant earns its name honestly. New leaves emerge almost pure white or pale green, gradually deepening into a deeply lobed dark green mature leaf as they age, creating a striking ghost-like transformation right before your eyes. Rooted cuttings commonly sell for $30 to $80, with prices climbing higher for plants showing consistent, stable variegation across multiple leaves. To root Florida Ghost in water, select a cutting with a healthy node. Submerge the node while keeping the leaf above the waterline and place it somewhere with bright, indirect light. Expect roots within 2 to 4 weeks. Because the leaf shape and coloring change so dramatically as the plant matures, many collectors specifically seek out young rooted cuttings, still showing that ghostly pale new growth, which is part of why fresh, actively rooting cuttings hold particularly strong resale appeal. Number 8. Philodendron Micans. Not every plant on this list relies on dramatic variegation to hold value. Philodendron Micans is prized purely for its texture, with soft, velvety, heart-shaped leaves that shift color between deep green, bronze, and copper depending on the light. While more affordable than some of the highly variegated plants on this list, healthy rooted cuttings still sell reliably in the $15 to $35 range, and its low-maintenance nature makes it one of the most consistently in-demand trailing plants among collectors. This is one of the easiest plants on this entire list to root in water, often showing visible roots in under 2 weeks. Simply take a cutting with a node, place it in a jar with bright indirect light, and change the water weekly. Because Micans grows quickly and roots so reliably, many sellers use it as a steady, dependable source of recurring cuttings rather than a one-time sale. Number 9. Hoya Carnosa Variegata, sometimes called Crimson Queen. Hoyas have built a dedicated following of their own within the plant collecting world, and this variegated form of the classic wax plant, with its cream and pink-edged leaves, is one of the most requested. Rooted cuttings with clear, consistent variegation typically sell for $20 to $50. Hoya cuttings root a little differently than the aroids we have covered so far. Take a cutting with at least one node and let the cut end callus over for about 24 hours before placing it in water, which significantly reduces the risk of rot. Position the jar in bright, indirect light and be patient, since Hoyas are naturally slower growers and root development can take 3 to 6 weeks. The wait is worth it. Once established, Hoya Carnosa Variegata can live in water indefinitely while slowly producing new, variegated growth. Number 10. Philodendron White Wizard. We are ending with one of the most consistently high-demand plants in the entire collector market. Philodendron White Wizard produces large, glossy leaves with crisp white variegation, similar to White Princess, but with a slightly different growth habit and leaf shape that collectors specifically seek out. Well-variegated rooted cuttings commonly sell for $50 to over $150. To root White Wizard in water, choose a cutting with a healthy node and submerge it just below the surface, keeping any leaves above the waterline. Place it in bright, indirect light, and expect roots within 2 to 4 weeks. As with the other variegated philodendrons on this list, consistent bright light after rooting plays a major role in whether that white variegation stays strong or gradually fades. So this is not a plant to tuck away in a dim corner if you want it to hold its value. And there you have it. 10 plants that prove some of the most valuable things you can grow do not require a greenhouse, a nursery license, or years of experience. Just a clean cut just below a node, a jar of water, a bright window, and enough patience to let nature do what it already knows how to do. If you are just starting out, plants like Syngonium pink splash, Scindapsus Exotica, and Philodendron Micans are the most forgiving places to begin, while Pink Princess, Monstera Albo, and White Wizard represent the higher value end of this hobby once you have some confidence under your belt. Either way, the same simple method applies across all 10. Find the node, keep it in water, give it light, and watch value grow right there on your windowsill. If this video opened your eyes to a side of plant collecting you did not know existed, hit that like button before you go. It genuinely helps this video reach more people who would find this just as useful as you did. Drop a comment and let me know which of these 10 you already own. And if you have not subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, because next week we are taking this even further with a video you will not want to miss. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.